Mr. Hu. My first name is Su Tang.
Sutang.
Mm.
Sutang.
Actually, privacy date.
Check natin.
Your last name Hoon. First name is Su Tang. Yeah, it's Su Tang. Yeah, can you say my name?
Sutang.
Yeah, Su Tang.
Hood.
Yeah. Actually, I'm looking here establishment for my business. I want to build a business here. I want to build here a Poco.
Pogo?
Yeah.
It's banned.
It's banned.
It's banned.
What bomb?
It's not allowed anymore.
Here?
Yeah, Pogo?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pogo is
Pogo.
also a gambling.
Yeah.
No, my
Like
business
Kuya-
is not gambling.
Yeah, okay, that's okay.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Kuya Eng.
Oh!
Yeah.